Hello everyone! Welcome again to my channel, Marites Pinay UK. Hello guys! Yes, today I'm going to unboxing this purchase I have in the Givenchy. So I went for the makeup event. So this is what I bought. So let's open. I'm so excited. What's inside? Oh, they give me a lot of goodies, guys. So first, I bought this foundation powder. So this is what I bought. It's so beautiful from Gevincy. So ayan, guys. It's a face powder. So ayan siya. Oh, oopsie. Oh, what happened to that? Okay. Ayan, guys. So yan. Face powder. Wow. So magamit ko na siya. So yan. Face powder from Givenchy. Yan. Next I bought as the lip shiner. So there's the lip shiner. Yan, guys. Lip gloss. So it's really nice. So yan yung ganun. So yan yung aking new lip gloss from Gevincy. And then what I bought, I have lipstick. So new lipstick. Yan. And this is a beautiful lipstick. Ayan. Wow, ganda. Ayan. Wow. Lovely color. So gorgeous. Yan na siya, guys. So ganda ng color. Yan. From you can see. So beautiful. Wow, I love the box. So yun. Lipstick from the Givenchy. And this is all the present I have from the Givenchy. So when you bought the purchase and Givenchy, this is all the product I bought, and they give you a lot of goodies inside. Look, there's so many. This is all the free perfumes. Yan, guys. So ano kaya itong binigay sa akin? Wow. This is nice. This is free. They give you a free product as well. So beautiful. Oh, this is for the skincare Givenchy night cream. So that's a night cream. And what's in this one? Oh wow, this is a little travel lipstick. So this is come from all the goodies from Givenchy. Wow, that's cute. Lipstick for your bag. So it's small lipstick. That's nice, isn't it? Lovely. So this is all the free goodies from the Givenchy. It's all the perfumes. This is all the free sample perfumes. What? So nice. Look at that. Free perfumes from the Givenchy. Another. Oh. So ayan. Oh God, this is the receipt. So this is all the free sample perfume from the Givenchy. This is what I got. Free goodies. Yan, guys. So lots of free goodies in all the perfumes. And this is the cream. And this is the travel small lipstick. And I don't know what's in this one. Oh, this is all lipstick. Look at all this color. Oh, color of the lipstick. So, yeah. So this is all the goodies that I have from Givenchy. So ayan siya, guys. I love the box. So nice. That is so beautiful. I love the box. So this is all the goodies they're giving me free from the Givenchy. So this is what I purchased. I bought my, oh gosh, cut. It should be like that. I bought this new powder. I love it. It's nice. And I bought this new lipstick. So it's a new lipstick from Gevincy. And my new lip gloss. So it's really nice. So that's it, guys. My blog for today from the Givenchy product. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching my video. And thank you so much for watching Marites Pinay Yuki channel. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye for now. See you in my next vlog.